Today we're going to be unboxing and checking out what's inside the retired set, the Lego Treehouse. This set is a perfect, and I mean perfect set to pair well with the A-frame cabin, which if I'm not mistaken is another set that retired. The amount of sets they've been retiring lately is absolutely insane. So this is set number 21318, 3,036 pieces. You got two ways of building this. You can build it with the nice summery look of the green, or you can take and shade it out and make it look like it's a fall kind of look. It comes with two tree houses, a nice water area in the bottom, some stairs, and a nice fireplace. This is part of the Lego Ideas collection, which means someone created this, and now Lego took their creation and made it into their own. Flipping over onto the back, it gives you more of a look of what it would look like in the fall outlook. Also gives some explanation, gather support, obtains, share your ideas. Anybody can submit to the Lego Ideas. Submit to the Lego Ideas gives you a chance to be able to, if you get 10,000 votes, then the Lego team will review it, and they'll pick and choose out of all those selections to see if you won. This set has all different kinds of material. Actually, there's three houses. It shows right here on this side all the different interiors that are coming along with it, and it looks like we got a total of 4 minifigures, but I could be wrong, but it does look like 4 minifigures. Flipping to the side, it shows you the example of what all the tree leaves would look like if you switched them out. I will be putting a poll up on YouTube for you guys to be able to decide whether we do fall or do summer in the outlook. So my last unboxing didn't go too well, and it came to find out there was pasta in it, so now it makes me nervous when I open this box. Please be no pasta. Okay, I see a white box, so that's a good sign. The white box wasn't even in that, so whoever the scammer was didn't really, thoroughly put at least the white box. We got our nice white box. We'll set that to the side for now. And we have Lego pieces. Thank God. Boy, I miss seeing some Lego pieces. Alright. I'm going to count some bags. Let's open this one up too. Then I'm going to speed count the bags, and it'll let you know how many bags we get, and we'll see what else we got. Let's see about getting the rest of the bags that are inside here. The instructions should be in here, and any stickers if there is any. Here is the instruction booklet. Man, I really do like that we switched to this and it didn't stay just a loose instruction for the box. Alright. Now, let's count how many bags we have. Alright, so we got 18 number bags, plus we got a total of 5 green bags, 1 drop, 5 fall bags. So, actually 19 number bags, so 19 plus 10 gives you a total of 29 bags altogether. Hold it. We also have 2 bags for number 1. So, that puts us at a total of 30 bags in this set completely. So, if you got anything less than 30 bags, then you're missing something. You should have 2 bag ones, 5 yellow and brown, and 5 light green and dark green bags, and a total of 19 number bags. 20 number bags because there's 2 for 1. Now, the piece of resistance. How do we build this? Well, let's open this folder and we will find out. It's not taped. Oh, this is probably, yeah, this is probably before they started. They started taping these, so you didn't have to have the glue. All right. One massive booklet. Let's open and look inside. Hello? Any stickers? Doesn't look like there's any stickers inside. But we got a big massive booklet. I like booklets like this. It makes you think like you're reading a book. Well, looks like there is no stickers in this set. Hallelujah. Alright, so right on the top of the, right in the front of the book, it's literally a book. It's like a dictionary. It's like a phone book. I know a lot of you younger generations don't have a clue what a phone book is. But if you're an older adult fan of Lego like I am, you know what a phone book is. So this is like a phone book. It's big, it's fat, it's sturdy, smells like a phone book. So right on the front, you're going to see the little QR code. Scan this to get your 20 points. And it's also going to tell you that you can also go to the Lego Builder app to be able to get the instructions if you want the 3D instructions. I am not a fan of the 3D instructions because of the simple reason it literally forces you to do piece by piece by piece, like one piece at a time. It's not step by step. It's one single piece at a time. And it is annoying. And I mean annoying. I can't. I know some people that use it. I can't. So, it's nice. It's big. It's thick. Let's open to the first page. It's going to give you plants from plants. Everyone loves tree houses. It's a nice little story. Meet the maker. Kevin Fiesner is the fan designer. And then there was also Caesar Colorfososaurus is the one that originally created this as a Lego set. So in other words, the first name is the person that had the idea. The second name is the person that made this. Gotta get through some of the other languages I don't speak. Holy moly, there's a lot of languages in here. Holy pages. And just the normal facts. Go by numbers. Scan QR codes. So bags 1 and 2, build the base. Bags 3 and 4, start the trunk. 5 and 6, middle trunk. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, you're building the tree houses. Bags 13, you're finishing them up. Bags 14, 15, 16, more details. 17, 18, 19, you're adding the tree, your choice of leaves. I'm going to leave it up to you, so pay attention. I'm going to be putting a poll up. You guys are going to decide what leaves we do. Are we doing summer or are we doing fall leaves? I'm going to go scan all the way to the back. And I'll let you know how many steps that we have. We got a total of 893 steps. And the booklet has 433 pages. There's 433 pages, 883 steps, or 888 steps, something like that. This is a big set. It is going to take a while. With the looking at the amount of bags we have and stuff, I'm looking at a good 5 to 6 streams easily. So stay tuned. Hope you guys join us on the stream. The streams are where we do the big builds. Time lapses are usually sets that are 100 to 500, and 500 and above are usually streamed. That's how I look at this. Or about, I'm actually probably gonna raise it about 750. So if the set's 750 and above, will be streamed. 200 to 750 will be a time lapse, and 200 and below will probably be a stop motion. Alright, so that's how we do things in here. We do Lego reviews, Lego streams, light Lego, Lego reviews, just everything about Lego. I post Lego content all the time. I don't really try to get into drama unless drama comes to me. So, guys, stay tuned. It's going to be amazing live, and I will let you know. I will begin to get to light this set because, it wouldn't be the fluffy channel unless we're lighting everything we build. Right, folks? All right. As always, remember, keep building your life just one small piece at a time. Bye for now!